this year, we're doing something a little different.
If the options where you meet us, take me there, take me there.
Hey mama, and welcome back to Grow in the Spirit Daily. I'm Shantae, and this year we're doing something a little different. A hybrid of online and offline work. So today I want to show you a little behind the scenes of the Easy Peasy dashboard. This is my first year using Easy Peasy, so I'm just gonna show you as I go through it. I'm sure there are probably like so many other things that is going on behind the scenes, but I haven't learned them yet. So I just wanted to do this as I was also learning. And if you are someone who uses Easy Peasy and has been for several years, please drop something in the comments. Give me some tips, some tricks, something, okay? It would be so helpful. I appreciate you so much. So basically what I did was a quick screen record so you guys can kind of just see like what it looks like before you create an account. It lets you kind of play around with what it looks like in the back end, how you can set up your child's name, and you can give them a color and their schedules, like what classes they take and things like that. If you are looking to see what that looks like, I got you. Hey you guys, today I'm just going to do a quick back end view of the Easy Peasy all-in-one platform, since this is what we'll be using for this new school year, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So here we are on the main page. You can look around and see it's easy. All you got to do is click on what do I do before you make an account, just so you can see what's going on. It basically walks you through entering your child's name and then the grade they're in, gives you simple instructions. You click continue. My son's name is Jace, so they just put a regular day up here. But if it's day 1, it'll show day 1. If it's day 35, it'll show day 35. So it basically shows you where your child's name and the day will be. You can click next, and then you will scroll down and be able to basically see all of the classes that your child has. In your back end, you'll be able to decide which classes specifically. My son will be taking geometry, but if your child needs algebra 1, for instance, then that can be changed. So you'll click on lesson 7, or you'll hit the little drop down, and it basically gives you all of what will happen for that day. Everything that is hyperlinked in blue is basically a video of some sort that will go over what the child will be learning for that day. The next part under that is basically more in-depth work. And then after that, I believe it will be like worksheets so that your child can practice what they learned. As you can see, there are several worksheets. And then you can close that and then click on the next one and go through the same process. And I'm just going to speed through it and not click on everything, just so you can kind of get an idea of what that looks like. You can even do a break. And you can play some music, and it'll play like this upbeat kind of music for the kids to be able to kind of just move around, get their body going, and all the things. And then once that is over, you can just click out of it, and it'll take you right back to the work. So you continue to go through all of the work by hitting the button. Obviously, if it was your actual student, they would, click on each thing, open each thing, complete each thing. Once each thing is complete, your child will be able to basically submit that. Say it says right here, when your child is done their assignment, they can click on needs work to prepare it for you, which is, the parent or the guardian. And then once they do that, we have the option to either check it off or hit exit for them to have to redo that assignment. I hit the X just so you could see what it would do, and then hit the check mark So now it's cleared out. So I went ahead and hit the check mark on each of the assignments so I can show you what it looks like when the date is complete. So you'll scroll all the way back up, and then it'll tell you, once all assignments are marked complete, a green check mark appears by the day number above. Click it to mark the day complete and set up for the next day of lessons. All lessons will be moved forward and a day will be counted. So then you hit the check mark here. And that's it. Full day of work completed. I hope this helped you guys. Talk later. Hey mama, welcome back. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know in the comments. Did you find it useful, or was it confusing, or are you just like, I'm not gonna play with you, Shantae? If that's the case, I get it. Like I said, it's our first year using Easy Peasy. We used DK12 last year. We've done Mia Academy. We've done Time for Learning. We've done lots of things. My oldest son, who's in college now, we did Acellus with him. Like, we've done all the things, okay? So I want to say this is where we're landing permanently, but you never know. You never know. And a little birdie told me to let you know that, like, I was working on a curriculum of my own. So yeah, just want to put that in your ear, okay? That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I do have a unboxing video of the actual books for Easy Peasy if you are wanting to also do a hybrid structure where you have some online and some offline going on. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Before you go, I'd love for you to keep growing with me. Click the video on your screen for more encouragement, and if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. Thanks for spending a little time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.